internet and hello Casio followers, especially the Mudmaster followers, because what I've got here is an unboxing, and it's the unboxing of the GWG-2000-1A3ER, the military green strap, carbon bezel. God man, I don't usually do unboxings, but this one makes an exception. So I received this 3 weeks ago, and I got told not to release a video until it was basically out in the UK, and now it's out in the UK. I'm going to release this. So this video is about 4 weeks behind, because by the time you get this, I'll be about 10 days into Portugal. But anyway, anybody who knows me knows I love the old Casios, because I've got a Mark 1 Mudmaster, and it's GWG-2000, and it's the yellow resin banded one, and that's been everywhere with me. I've never had no troubles as whatsoever. I've took it to every Asian continent going. I've been to Vietnam on the motorbike, been up mountains in the Philippines, in Thailand, bottoms of oceans in the Philippines, rode across Cambodia with it. Honestly, it's just a fantastic watch, and like I say, it's never let me down. It's never needed a battery. It's just an awesome watch, hence why I have paid it. It's 699 UK pounds. I don't know what that works out around the rest of the world, but it's not expensive in terms of what you're getting for the watch, because you're getting it for a hell of a long time without any maintenance costs. So anyway, cut the bull out, let's get on with the unboxing. Right, let's get on with this. Like I said, I don't like doing unboxings, but this is special, so let's go for it. Straight away, it feels like Christmas. Just usual Casio box packing with all the sponge, with the cellophane wrapped, sponge on the resin band, the green military band, by the way. Wow, look at this thing. Isn't this cool? And this is light. I know it's carbon, but this feels light compared to the Mark 1, much lighter. Look at this crown here, stainless steel crown, all redesigned, along with the mode buttons, and this triple sensor here, totally new. What a piece of kit this is. Anybody who knows this watch, obviously, yeah, you wouldn't be watching this for any reason. You know you're going to be buying one, or attempt to buy one, or a second-hand one, because they are expensive in a way. They're 699 quid, and like I said, you'll get your money's worth out of this watch. So the features on this watch, obviously, water resistant, 200 meters. There's alarm functions, altimeter functions. So there's a built-in pressure sensor. I think it's behind here. This triple sensor, that measures barometric pressure, which is converted to relative altitude, and all that's displayed on these little settings on your LCD screen there. Band materials resin, auto calendar, barometer function, built-in air pressure sensor measures ambient air pressure and presents this on the display to indicate weather patterns. There's your little display down there. I'll look into that deeper as time goes on. So your battery life, you get 6 months on full charge, and that's without exposure to normal daylight and normal light. So 6 months straight out the box. Case material, like I say, it's carbon. There's a compass function, so there's a built-in direction sensor, detects magnetic north, displaying this and your current direction on the watch face. Whoa. But the same as the Mark 1. So we've got a countdown timer function, obviously date, weekend display. The dimensions, so if I'm right in saying, is 61.2mm by 54.4mm by 16.1. If I remember lightly, that's not as deep as the Mark 1. Obviously, used people will tell me that. So hand shift functions, which are pretty easy to use, and they're new. LED lights, LED lights. Mud resistance, so most of this now, I mean, all these seals have had a silicone on top of them seals. So basically, this is rock tight. This is a solid little watch. The other one was, you couldn't pick faults with the Mark 1, but same here. Nothing's going to get through that. That is bomb proof. So low temperature resistance, minus 10 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Obviously the multifunction buttons, all stainless. Right, radio control timekeeping. So multi-band 6 automatic atomic time updates are received overnight for exceptional accuracy. God, that's futuristic, isn't it? That's so unbelievable. And the glass, so we've got sapphire glass, and that's the high clarity glass with the highest level of scratch resistance. I can verify that with my old watch. Nothing can scratch this thing. Obviously shock resistance. So that's a patent hollow core guard structure and protects against impact and vibration. When you see these watches open inside, the rest of them like little shock absorbers all the inside of the casing. Pretty good. Smart access interface, solar power, high capacity solar charging system, harnesses the power of any light source for reliable watch operation with minimal impact to the environment. Yo, go green. Stopwatch functions, thermometer functions, measuring ranges minus 10 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. That's pretty cool, isn't it? So the weight of the watch, like I say, I do believe it's 106. I'm going to have to find out what the Mark 1 is, the GWG-2000, see what that is. And as I say, vibration resistance, and it's got well-timed displays. But to me, it's the ultimate watch, and this is why I've done unboxing. And at some stage, I will do a full review on it. Awesome. Absolutely awesome. Well, thanks for watching, people. No pun intended. And I'll be seeing you soon. Bye bye for now.